Chapter 2, Shlokas 66 to 72. First Shloka 66. Nasti buddhirayuktasya nacha yuktasya bhavana nacha bhavayata shantir ashantasya kutasukam. Ayuktasya nasti buddhihi. Of a person who has not regulated his mind and senses, buddhihi nasti. He will not have the right reasoning. And nacha ayuktasya bhavana. Of such a person, bhavana, na bhavana. The right notion or the right concept will not come to him. Nacha abhavayatah shantihi. Of a person who doesn't have that right notion, na shantihi, there won't be any peace. And ashantasya kutasukam. And when you lack peace, from where will you get happiness? Says Lord Krishna. Shloka 67. Indriyanam hi charatam yanmano nuvidhiyate tadasya harati prajñam vayurnavami vambhasi. Charatam indriyanam, meaning among the senses which move about in the sense objects, yat manah anuvidhiyate. There may be one whose impulse is very strong. That one sense would make the mind follow it. Manah anuvidhiyate. Tadasya harati prajñam. Tat, meaning that one sense whose impulse is so strong, asya prajñam harati, would take away the person's mind. Just like Vayuhu navam iva ambasi. Just like the wind takes away or carries away the boat which is there in the water, in a similar way, that strong impulsive sense would carry away the mind of the person, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 68. Tasmadyasya mahabaho nigrihitani sarvashah indriyanindriyartebhyas tasya prajña pratishtita. Lord Krishna says, Hey Mahabaho, hey Arjuna, tasmat, from that reason, yasya, of a person, indriyani nigrihitani, whose senses are controlled, from indriyartebhyah, from the objects of the senses, tasya prajña pratishtita, he would have a stable mind. Shloka 69. Yanisha sarva bhutanam tasyam jagrati sayyami yasyam jagrati bhutani sanisha pashyato munehe. Lord Krishna says, Ya Nisha Sarva Bhutanam, that which is Nisha, night for all the living beings, Tasyam Sayyami Jagarti. In that state, the Sayyami, the controlled yogi, is awake. And Yasyam Jagrati Bhutani, the state in which all living beings are awake, Sa Nisha, that is night for the Pashyataha Munehe, for the perceiving yogi, that would be like night. So what Lord Krishna is saying is that just like in the night where we are not able to see or perceive, and the senses are not meeting their respective sense objects, a controlled yogi, he is always in that state. Shloka 70. Apuryamana-machala-pratishtam samudramapah pravishanti yadvat tadvat kamayam pravishanti sarve sashantimapnoti na kamakami. Yadvat apah samudram pravishanti. In the manner in which the waters enter the ocean, and the quality of an ocean is that it is apuryamanam, it is already full, achala pratishtam, but it is undisturbed. It is undisturbed by the water that flows into it. Tadvat, in the same manner, yam kamaha pravishanti. In that same manner, to such a person, when all the desires enter, he is undisturbed. Such a person, sa shantim apnoti. He gets peace. Na kamakami, not a person who goes after the desires. But peace of mind comes to a person who, even when the desires come to him, he is undisturbed, just like the ocean is undisturbed by the flowing waters into it, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 71. Vihaya kamanya sarvan pumamscharati nisprihah nirmamo nirahankara sashantimadhigacchati. Yaha puman. A person sarvan kaman vihaya, throwing away all desires, nisprihah nirmamah nirahankara charati, means he moves without attachment, nisprihah, nirmamah, without a feeling that this is mine, nirahankara, without any ego, sashantim adhigacchati, he acquires peace, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 72. Esha brahmi stitif partha nainam prapya vimuhyati stitva syamanta kalepi brahma nirvana mrichati. Lord Krishna says, Hey Partha, hey Arjuna, Esha brahmi stitihi. This state is that perfect realized state, that God realized state, na enam prapya vimuhyati. On acquiring that state, na vimuhyati, there won't be any confusion or delusion. Stitva syamanta kalepi, we have to split it as stitva asyam antakale api. Being in that state, even at the last stages, antakalepi, Brahma nirvanam richati. One would acquire Brahma nirvanam, that perfect God realized state, one would attain, says Lord Krishna. With this, we complete chapter 2. Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishnarjuna Samvade Sankhya Yogo Nama Dvitiyodhyayah Harihi Om.